Let's make a windmill with vanes. So first we'll make the base first. So this is the base. There are the four corners, right? Put in a screw, then use a nut to tighten it so that there's a leg base, right? That's one. Two. You can use later, you can use the provided screwdriver to tighten it further, but now I'll use a hand. Right? So this is a screwdriver given. You can, if you want it to be a little bit more tight, so you can use this, hold the nut below, then after that you tighten that, right? So this is the base. Next we'll try to fix the vanes to the this support here. So there are holes here. The number one hole here, right? There's only one screw given for this, so you fix it correctly. Take this screw, which is about 1 cm long. This is the second longest screw in the set. Push through here, right? Then after that, use a nut to secure, right? This one, again, one screw is given only, not two. Okay, then somewhere here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. At the ninth, another one here in. So another screw goes in here. Okay, and then again tighten it. Okay, again we can use screwdriver to tighten it so that it doesn't move. Okay, next the vane here will fit nicely if it's a 1 and 9. Okay, then use a small screw, the same screw that we use for the base. Push through. And then tighten. And here, same for here. Push through. Tighten. So again, if you want to make it tight, hold the nut below, then use a small screwdriver given to tighten it. But you remember, you must hold it behind. If not, they'll turn together. Then there's no tightening effect. Hold the nuts below, behind here. Hold it, don't let it move. And then you turn here. Right, so this is now fixed. Next, we need to fix the generator holder here. So look for the third hole, 1 2 3, that will go through. Now we need the longest screw. Now put in the washer first. You need this washer, it's important so that it can stay, else you'll go straight through here. Okay, sorry, I have to take this first. Right, you can see this hole is quite big, so when it goes through, the washer will help to stop the screw from going through. Then goes through the third hole from the top, 1 2 3. Right, then after that again the washer. These two washer will help to hold the holder in place. Then the nut. So this one, this screw should be the longest screw. Oops, it's very small for my finger. So let me try to hold it in place first with a screwdriver. That'll be easier for me. Right. Then the nut, tighten it using the okay. So we are going to tighten this. It must be 90 degrees to this beam. Because we are going to put the generator there. So when you are tightening, make sure you hold on to the nut below so that it doesn't move. Okay, so done. Okay, next we shall fix the generator with the LED light to the holder. Right, you can force it in like that, but I'll prefer to go through here. Push the two ends from here in. Okay, then after that we'll put the propeller. This hole I think is 2 mm, so you just force it in. Right, okay, so when you spin this, you generate enough kinetic energy for the light bulb to light up. Okay, then the last part we need the base again. This base, right, aim right at the center here. Somewhere here is the center. Push it in. Right, so here now you find that the base is useful. You need some space so that this metal piece can go through a little bit. Okay, so now it's done. You can, when the wind blow, right, let's say the wind is blowing at this side, the vane will be pushed so that this windmill always face the wind. So what you need is here, pull this up right here. Make sure there's some space here, not too tight. You can adjust it in such a way that there's a little bit of space here, right, a little bit of space so that it can swivel freely. And if you don't want the bottom to move too much, you can press this thing down, right, then you'll stay. So now we have completed this windmill.